Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick guess what's in the box video slash it's a bag, small little bag from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we got this little bag right here from eBay. I picked this up. It is 8 3/8 inches long by 7 inches wide, by probably the deepest point is about 3/4, 7/8 of an inch thick. What do you guys think is in this bag? To me, I think it might be a wire harness, but it could be wrong. Could also be, this might be the microphone for the Mavic 8200 NEX stereo unit. This might be the Pioneer microphone. But what do you guys think it is? Just a quick video. I'll be ripping it open in the next video, trying to just make some quick little videos for the channel. This should be for the limited edition model of the 2000 4Runner, because the SR5 has all of the stereo components. I basically just matched the exact same stereo with all the exact same accessories that the SR5 had, that my 2005 Excursion has, and I'm putting them in the limited. That way both me and my wife have hands-free and everything like that. I'm a big believer in hands-free calls and everything else. I don't believe in picking up your phone and playing with your phone while you're driving. As well as I got all the mirror link cables and everything like that, and the backup camera and everything you can get for this stereo that I can wire into these older 4Runners. It also makes the insurance a little cheaper to have these items on your insurance, because the vehicle's safer with the stereo than it is without, so you get a discount. But you know, what do you guys think it is down below? I think this might be the mic. That's my guess. I've ordered a lot of things from eBay in the last 2 weeks, probably 29 or 30 items, something like that. But you know, let me know what you think down below. You know, again, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!